Hey everybody, it's me again. I got a little bit of a surprise here for you guys. I'll bring it around shortly and see if you can guess what it is. Yeah, that's right. I bought another locomotive right now. I found this Chicago Northwestern GP30 on Brady's Trains, and it was really a great deal. I wanted this thing for a while now, for I would say about a year. So yeah, it's been a long time coming, and yeah, I just really wanted this engine. So, and it was for a great deal too. So yeah, there it is, the new engine. Just arrived today. Yeah, just literally got dropped off right at noon. So, and I'm loving this thing so far. So yeah, I'm running with Lionel's Cab 3 app right now. So it's running really good. Love the sound on it. Not sure about the smoke unit though, but I've seen it. It's not a big wisp of it as I thought it would be. But I'll cycle through the horns real quick. Here's horn number 1. Horn number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Kind of like that one actually. And finally number 5. I'll run through them again and see which one's your favorite. And 3 bell choices. I got they're just different pitches really. So here's 1. Sorry if the volume's been down so you can hear me talk. Here's bell number 1. Number 2. Three. Number 4. No, that was number 4. Sorry. And number 5. So yeah, they're all just the bell tones are just different pitches. So that's really all that is. But number 3 is my favorite. Yeah, and those are all the horns and bells on that thing. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the new engine I bought. Yeah, I'm really liking this thing. It's really cool. I think this will look great right next to the RS27 I bought a month or 2 ago. So, well, yeah, that's all I've got for today. Just wanted to show you this new engine, and thank you everyone, and I'll see everyone next time.